Hi guys.
Hi guys.
This is Vicky.
And this is my lightsaber.
No, you're meant to say that. This is Abi.
Hi, I'm Abi.
How are you today?
It's just that I think you put you and I together.
Wait, you're sick, you're in trouble.
Sick. These
Things of our
they're Lord
Hell.
Voldemort's soul.
they actually
They're
are.
like the Lord Voldemort,
And we've drunk them.
Oh my gosh,
With
heads on the back of our heads. What's this then? Finite incantatum. That's Hermione.
Expelliarmus.
That's Snape.
Wingardium.
Let's do Snape.
Expelliarmus. Let's do the whole Snape. Severus Snape. Dumbledore.
Snape.
Only Dumbledore.
Oh.
Let's try to run. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. What's that upstairs ticking noise?
Kind of catchy.
Snape. Severus Snape. Dumbledore. Snape. Severus Snape. Dumbledore. Snape. Severus Snape. Dumbledore. Ron. Severus. Ron Weasley. Snape. Ron Weasley. Ron Weasley. Harry Potter.